行ってたの？ずっと待ってたんだから、ここで。もう行くよ。なんでそんなに時間かかったの？ずっと待ってたんだから、バシラ。まあいいんだけど、一緒に行きます。シャワー。バシラ助けてくれてありがとう。今日これ食べます。カービィのスプーンゲットしたよ。Greetings, my Shala children from Planet Earth, Japan, 惑星シャラソフィアの皆様、地球上日本からこんにちは。見て、カービィです。こっちもこっちも。OK。コンビ生ハム寿司、オニオンマヨ。今、3章名前がわかんない。I don't know what the place is called. I've never been here before. 初めてなんですけど、今からカービィの電車を探します。カービィの電車ってまだ、走ってますか？
走ってはいますけど、
今日ない？
いや、ちょっと待って。
How did I not notice this? It's so cute. すいません、ありがとうございます。カービィを探しに、カービィと出会うために、梅田駅に向かってます。The beautiful thing about the Japanese language is there's a lot of time in the words itself. So this is something to close the time. It's not a transitional word. It's a period. It's a stop, and it closes it. So there's a lot of things like deeper meanings in the words, which is really cool about Japanese. 行きましょう。Oh my god! やばい。ちょっと待って、カービィの運転手だ。やばい。Oh my gosh. Yes. かわいい。ちょっと待って。もう言葉に出れない。なんか言葉に、なんかこの感情がなんかもうあまりにも刺激的すぎて、言葉でどうやって表せばいいかわかります？So this, you know the station that we were at before? That's where we're going. Yes. このメロディー。
そうなの。かわいい。またね。バイバイ。Growing up, I never fit into one group of people because both of my parents aren't white. Both of my parents aren't Japanese. So there was things that I just couldn't understand, or people wouldn't fully accept me. I'm always different, you know? And so the moment I realized, actually, this is just what I am, embrace it, that's when I felt like I found my superpower. And honestly, it's one of the scariest feelings to actually walk alone. But as I kept on walking and creating, the amount of people around the world that said, I'm mixed race and I know what you're going through, or I'm a minority, I know what you're going through. I'm so happy I'm not alone. Like I've had people message me telling me that they decided not to commit suicide. You know, so it's like, so it's really important for me, you know. I tend to get people say to me, you need to chill out, calm down, because if I see some injustice, I get quite upset and I'll vocalize it. But I just say, you know what, fuck you. You're not getting, you know, DMs from teenagers saying, I decided not to kill myself. I was like, no, I can't. I need to freaking keep my word. Maybe the angle that you're looking at it isn't the right angle. Maybe you just need to shift your mentality a little bit.